everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Growwithniki. Yeah, so I am home, nothing much to do, so I'm trying to get some videos out and all these things because I'm basically quarantining myself and avoid being around people and all that stuff. So I say, why not do a mukbang, because I always wanted to do a mukbang. So I'm gonna be doing a very small seafood mukbang now. I got this from Seafood Delight on Instagram. Let me just take off this camera of the tripod and show you guys what it is. I got the small portion. I got half of lobster. I think there's about four jumbo shrimps, boiled corn, veggies, potatoes, and all that good stuff that I love. And I also get me some lettuce with some vinaigrette on it, and this is the garlic sauce, the white garlic sauce that came with it. So I'm about to dig in. Alright, so I'm gonna be talking. I don't know what I'm gonna be talking about, so I'm gonna start eating. With all this coronavirus something going on, I have been trying to avoid social media because yeah, it is getting so toxic and I don't want to be in the mix-up. The sauce is not too bad though. It's amazing. The only thing I wish it was spicy because I love spice. By the way, I'm sitting on my floor. Tonight the Prime Minister is going to address the nation. Stuff about the coronavirus. I'm not sure if he's going to say that there are more cases. Because 2 weeks ago I think there was only one case. And I heard this morning that the person recovered, so that's good, right? But yeah, so I don't know what the address is going to be about, but I will definitely be listening to it to hear what they are going to say, because listen, I want to be kept informed, okay? And who knows, it might even shut down the country. Probably give us curfew and what's not, but I don't know. We just have to hope. I don't know about you guys, but listen, I love me some seafood. I don't mind eating this every single day. Well, like the problem, I don't like Italian sausage because I'm not seeing any Italian sausage here at all, so that's a good thing because the girl don't like Italian sausage. But the potato and everything that I'm eating so far is really good. My friend Alfred and I, we were supposed to order this together, like I think it was about a month ago. We have planned to order food from Seafood Delight just to try it out. It's actually my first time having food ordering from them, and it's amazing. So yeah, I don't think I will be able to eat all this potato right now. Definitely gonna eat the shrimps. Let's hope I don't end up with a yeast infection after all this. Guys, this is so good. It is so good. The media has been putting out so many stuff about this coronavirus. Like sometimes it just makes me depressed, you know. None of us know how long this is going to happen for. We don't know how long it is gonna last. We don't know if it's going to end. We don't know what is going to be the turnout of it, but obviously everybody is hoping for the best. But you just have to watch and see. You don't live one day at a time, because we don't know. We really do not know what is going to happen, and I don't want to think about it. Me too. I believe that, you know, this is just the introduction, you know. I believe that the stage is setting for the Antichrist and the mark of the beast and all of these things. I believe so. Some people may not agree, but yeah, I agree. So do you guys love seafood? Because I love me some seafood. I know I always wanted to do like a seafood mukbang, like full out my table with all this seafood and whatever. So but this is the best. This is the best I can do, because seafood is really expensive here, right? So it's not like if I can, you know. Just got tired of time. Got my whole table full of seafood for $50. Nah. But I think though, so good. I think the price was worth it. It was worth it. There's no doubt. No doubt about that. In St. Vincent, you can check out Seafood Delight on Instagram. They do deliveries from 10 a.m. to about 7 p.m. Mondays to Fridays, I think. I don't know. I can't remember if they do Saturdays and Sundays, but yeah. They do deliveries. They have 2 portions. They have the small portion and the bigger portion. The bigger portion has like a whole lobster. This is just good for me, because right now where I don't feel ready here. I am content. I can't even go no more. The big portion has like yeah, so the big portion, it has 1 lobster, a whole lobster, about 6 jumbo shrimps, Italian sausages. Well, I am glad no Italian sausage didn't come here, because I am not a fan of sausage, so that's a good thing. Guys, this is so good. And mind you, delivery It doesn't really take long to deliver because it takes like about half an hour to be prepared and dropped in Kingston. So it wasn't really, I didn't really have to I didn't really have to wait on it. First time I heard about this thing, it was in December, you know, and to be honest, I didn't really pay it any mind because I thought it was, oh well, this Chinese bring about other virus again, it gone dead down. But then when I heard the thing with St.Vincent and I hear how many people dying, I'm like, this is serious, you know. This is very serious, and we have to pray because this, it is above, it's above all of us. There is nothing that we can do, nothing at all. Only God alone can save us now. So what we need to do is to get down into prayer, because listen, as I said before, I do not know the outcome of this thing, but I don't know. I'm trying to remain positive, but I don't. After all, we are living in the last days, and these are prophecy being fulfilled, so we don't know. We really don't know. We don't know. I think I'm going to end this video now because I am so content. Like, this food was so, it was so good, guys. Like, it was amazing. Amazing. I can't even go anymore. But yeah, the best thing that we can do is to take the necessary precautions and to keep ourselves safe. Remember to stay inside, you know, follow the laws of the land. And we don't know how long this thing is going to last. It can go for 3 months, it can go for 6 months, it can't even go for the rest of the year, you know. We might even be without food, famine, you know. We just have to, my God, only God alone knows. Just keep praying, keep trusting in God, because this is beyond all of us. It is bigger than all of us. There is nothing that we can do, you know, nothing at all that we can do to stop this, to stop what is going to happen from happening. We just have to trust in God, depend on God. Yeah, we have to depend on God, because really and truly we cannot do anything at all without Him. Yeah, something about to happen. I can feel it in the atmosphere. I don't know what it is, but I feel something. I don't know if it's famine or what, but something about to happen. So yeah, guys, just continue to pray, continue to trust in God, put God first in everything, give your life to God, because we don't know, we do not know what is going to happen in this place, as I said before. So just continue to trust in God, you know, and put God first. Seek God. Now that we are home, this is a time for us to go and seek God. Go down into prayer, you know, read the word. Read the word. So yeah, that's my encouragement to you guys today. I don't know how I get so gloomy all after a sudden, but yeah, this is the end of the video. Thank you guys so much for watching.